Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. This video will focus on how nailers connect to surrounding parts. Nailer joints are set within the cabinet construction method under Joints, Interior Joints, Nailer, and Shelf Nailer. The first group is for the back nailers. It can connect to the three side types in one of three ways. Connect nailer to side encapsulates the nailer in between the sides. Extend nailer to side puts the nailer behind the side flush to the outside edge of the panel. And extend nailer to frame places it behind the side again, but makes it flush to the outer edge of the stile in case the frame is offset from the side panel. We will leave all three at connect nailer to side and the connection to the default none to simply nail the nailer with a butt joint. We will do the same for the nailer back connections as well. If nailers are inside the cabinet, then they can interact in one of two ways. Partition connects to nailer will notch out the partition to host the nailer, whereas partition split nailer will split the nailers for the partition joint. Nailer divider only has the option to notch the divider for the nailers. Top nailer full top has three options. Connect nailer to top sets the nailer to be flush to the bottom edge of the full top. Extend nailer to top will make the nailer flush to the top edge of the full top, and extend nailer to frame top will place the nailer to be flush to the top edge of the frame. We will leave ours inside the cabinet with connect nailer to top with the default butt joint. The same selection applies to the top stretcher, top web frame, and top gusset joints. Bottom nailer bottom panel has a similar arrangement. Connect nailer to bottom puts the bottom nailer right above the bottom shelf. Extend nailer to bottom places it in line to the bottom. And extend nailer to frame bottom makes it flush to the bottom edge of the frame below the bottom shelf if the nailer is narrow enough. Finally, nailer can have two adjacent nailers connected with a joint, most often a butt joint, or it can be set to miter them together. Fixed shelves are sometimes supported by a back nailer called the shelf nailer. It can be set to use the same joints as the back nailers. For example, we will apply the pocket screw joint to the shelf nailer finished side connection. The same will go for the unfinished side, subside, partition, and divider connections. Since the fixed shelves are encapsulated by the sides, these connections do not have extension options. Back and shelf nailer joints support surrounding structures and can utilize most connections. The next joints video will cover internal stiles and how they interact with cabinet parts. Thank you, and we will see you then. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cadbuildersoftware.com/training.